Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to take a look at the analytics of your Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started, and the first thing we want to do in the upper right corner is log into our account. If you do not already have an Etsy account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one, and if you have one, just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, which is the home page from where we can get started. Here we can get started browsing all the products that we can buy. We can get started with managing our store using the shop manager option, and now we can get started. So what we're going to do is take a look at the Etsy help center right here. That shows us the step-by-step of how we can get started setting up analytics, especially Google Analytics for Etsy shop, to show us the volume of traffic to the website from different traffic sources. First, we're going to go and create a Google Analytics account. You can follow the steps right here on how to go to Google Analytics and create your free account that you can then use for setting up your Etsy shop. You're going to go and be using your ID that's going to appear, so you're going to find that ID, and now we're going to go to Etsy and open up the shop manager option. You're going to click shop manager right here in the upper right corner. Once you have set up your store, as you can see, I have still not set up my store fully, but if I did, I'll be able to manage it right here from the shop manager option by opening it up. So once you have opened it up, it's going to look like that, and you're going to be able to open up the settings tab and select options. Under the options tab, we can get started with the web analytics tab. You're going to open up web analytics, and there guys, in the web property ID, you can enter in your Google ID tag in the format that you have just copied right from here. Once you have entered in the ID you have gotten from Google Analytics, you can click save. So to view your analytics data and keyword reports, you might sign into your Google Analytics account, and you can go ahead and take a look and see your reports for 24 hours, but you first have to go ahead and wait for the 24 hours to pass. And basically it's easy as that. All of that is done right here from the shop manager option, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.